Hey, welcome on board MSC Divina. I'm going to show you my cabin here, 13193, which is a standard balcony room in the Fantastica category. So come on in, let me show you where I'm staying the next couple nights. So as we open the door, one thing that we notice is this massive balcony that we have. That's one thing that's kind of cool, but it has a spot where it's hard to see this way. I'll show you that here in just a minute. But you got a normal bed here that can sleep 2 people. Couch back here that can also sleep a person. It folds out into a bed. That's one thing they can absolutely do for you if you just ask your room steward. One thing in this cabin you'll notice here on the next to the bed, there's no USB. It is an older ship. The ship is from 2012. The area over there is a little crowded, so it's kind of hard to put anything over there, but this one here, it's got a lot more room. So just kind of heads up on that. And we got a TV, of course. Got a mini bar down here. That way you can ask for that to be unlocked so you can keep things cool. Got a desk with a couple outlets here. You have 2 US outlets, 2 European outlets. That way you have those for your electronics. I usually bring a cruise ship compatible like power adapter. I'll link one down below, the one that I use. That way I have my USBs, a couple extra outlets. It's a good thing to travel with, even in hotels. So this room is just me on this cruise, so plenty of room for me. You can honestly fit some other people in here. I'll take you to the bathroom here, kind of show you what we're working with there. I'm 6'2", obviously well fed, so show you what we're working with. We are now in the bathroom where it is a little tight, but the toilet, you do have a little bit of room. One area you'll notice, the shower here, we got a seal that is kind of coming loose here, right here. A couple signs of use around here, a little bit of rust, but it's an older ship. I don't know how to use this thing quite yet, so I'm just gonna kind of squeeze in here so you can kind of see, you know, it works. I'm 6'2", 300 and some pounds. Got room here to kind of work with, so just something to keep in mind. The shower, you know, we're pretty close, but it will work. So one thing I do like is the storage underneath the sink here. You do have quite a bit of storage, so keep that in mind. First MSC cruise where I didn't have to ask for washcloths. I am super excited about that. Never thought I'd be so excited about something so simple, but there it is. I have washcloths. I'm happy. The closet here, another area where you'll find lots of storage in this cabin. You'll have all these drawers, lots of drawers. So if you are cruising with 3 people, you'll definitely want to make use of that. The closet here, you got plenty of hangers for, well, just me for a 4-night cruise. Plenty of room in there also. So if you need more hangers, always ask your room steward. That is something to keep in mind, is you can always ask them and they will be able to help you out. So I'm going to take you out here, show you the balcony where you have a lot more room than most standard cruise cabins. One thing that comes to my mind right away is I can feel the salt underneath my sneakers. I don't know how often they spray off the balconies on this ship. Look at all the room behind me. Like this is, you've got quite a bit of extra room, but you do have this wall right here that you can't see around, but honestly, you have all this, so it's not really that like obstructed of a view. So keep that in mind. But this is a great little balcony. It's a hidden balcony, as I like to call them. You get more room for the same price. So that is my tour of the balcony. So if you found this information helpful, definitely hit that subscribe button. And in a small world, travel's large.